As you can see, Panavantina Period. This is Kelvin Period, a Zimbabwean YouTuber who just reached 100,000 subscribers. 2023 made thousands of dollars from YouTube just by doing gossip. Mako. Though he was making a lot of money from YouTube, he then decided to delete all his videos. Which means he went from making $800 to $0. Wait, who did that? Kelvin Period. But Kelvin had a crazy plan. He was 100% sure that his new plan was going to make more impact, which is farming content.
One of the biggest problems in Zimbabwe is that it's treated as a hobby.
If you think farming is fun or boring, wait and hear what he will say. Got one question.
Okay.
Do you like farming? Cannot you are doing farming for monetization?
As of now, if I'm to tell you the truth, I now love farming with passion. But when I started, I was only doing it for content. Because when we were growing up, when someone tell you that we are going to the rural areas, and probably in your mind would say, we are going to do manual labor, we're going to do farming. So it was hard back then. So we grew up, as for me, I grew up with that negative basic mentality of saying that farming, it's manual labor, it's harder, I would not want to do it. But when I started to interact with the farmers, I changed my mind and I said, wow, this is amazing.
Yes. It's a prolific egg layer. So this one, it's our own creation in Southern Africa.
This guy is very knowledgeable. He knows chickens like the back of his hands. As for me, I only know how to eat chickens. I'm a professional eater.
Ever since you started farming content, what is include farming practices?
I tried doing chickens.
Chicken?
Here.
What happened?
My dogs. They never did get along. I'm going to stay.
So what happened to the chickens on YouTube?
I only know how to eat chickens. I'm a professional eater.
How are you making the farming content interesting? Because a lot of people, they don't like farming content.
Good question. I barely understand farming. I'm going at a farm as someone who doesn't understand farming. I'm going there to learn as a student. That makes the whole thing interesting. Because sometimes I ask dumb questions.
Yes, and the viewers will relate to the dumb questions.
Exactly.
Oh, so you want to plant soybeans over there?
Yes, we want to plant soybeans.
What I learned from Kelvin's story is to give risk a chance, like how he shifted from social commentary to farming and business interviews. Now he is reaping success.
Hasta PV.